Hi, G5. Good to see all of you. So, Danny boy, are you okay? Liverpool is not okay, and I'm not okay. All right. Let's talk about our class. Anyway, Puno, how are you? Film, are you okay? H and Bank, are you there? And Tips and Nietzsche and Mint and Wow. Okay. I hope all of you are doing good. Okay. Good. Now, let's talk about average homework. So, I'm talking about homework and this page. So, look at this page. You see this page? Yes. So, that is what I'm going to talk to you about. Okay. Good. Now, let's see. We have 7 questions. I show you 5 over here, but I'll do the 7 with you. Okay. We're going to do all of it together. All right. So now let's see and discuss question 1. All right. Here we have been talked about ant who is working 3 days. 3 days. And we have on the first day is 10 hours, Friday. Saturday 12 hours, and on Sunday 300 minutes. So you could see that we have Friday in hours, Saturday in hours, but Sunday in minutes. So change all of them to be hours, or change all of them to be minutes. Okay, good. For example, if you have 300 minutes, you can change them to hours, or if you have 10 hours, we can change them to minutes. Let's change all of them to minutes and see. So 10 hours is 600 minutes. 12 hours is 700 minutes, right? Good. 720 minutes, sorry. So we're going to add all of them together. 600 plus 720 plus 300 divided by 3. Then what will be our answer? We are going to get 620 divided by 3. Now, when we have 620 divided by 3, do you know the answer? You write your answer here for me, okay? That will be your answer. But what do? You write your answer in hours. Hours. So we're going to get 540. That will be our answer over here, right? And tell me, 540, how many hours you do it? And you tell me. You write the answer here for me, okay? I will not tell you. Do it by yourself. 540 minutes. How many hours? Okay, that will be your answer. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 here, we've been talk about which is more, the average of 4 even numbers and the average of 4 odd numbers. Okay, so now let's see which one we have. Let's do the even numbers. Even numbers, you can divide by 2, divisible by 2, no remainder. So for example, we want to know the average of 4 even numbers from 8 to 15. So we have 8, 10, 12, 14. 4 numbers divided by 4. 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14. What is the answer? We get 44 divided by 4. So now you write your answer here for me. What is the answer? I will not tell you. Then you do the average numbers of 4 odd numbers from 8 to 15. What are the odd numbers? Odd numbers cannot be, when you divide by 2, you will get a remainder. Okay? They are not divisible by 2 without a remainder. So for example, from 8, then the odd numbers from 8 to 15, we have 9, 10, 11, 13, and 15. Now, let's divide this by 4. And we're going to get 48, right? I think so. Divided by 4. Tell me the answer. Now, when you know the answer, write your answers, okay? I'm not going to write for you. I'm just helping you to understand. When you write the answer, check which one is more, okay? Is it the average of 4 even numbers or 4 odd numbers? You write your answer here for me and say, the average of 4 numbers from 8 to 15 is more. So you check which one is more. Is it here, this one, or this one? Which one is more? When you compare your answer, Then you say the average. If this one is more, then you say the average of 4 even numbers. You write even numbers here. If this one is more, you say the average of 4 odd numbers. You write odd numbers here. Okay, good. Let's go to number 3. Bangkok can get very hot in the summer months. Yeah, Songkran, April, very, very hot. Long month, hot. Okay. The temperature in Bangkok during the period of 1 week is 33. So we have the temperature for 1 week. What is the average? What is the average? So what you're going to do is to add 33 degrees plus 32 degrees plus 31 degrees Celsius plus 39 degrees Celsius plus 35 degrees Celsius, then plus 30 degrees Celsius. Then we add the last one, which will be 38 degrees Celsius. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7. And you write your answer here. What is the answer? And don't forget to write degrees Celsius. Okay, that will be your answer for this question. All right, I hope you can do it. Try. Okay, good. Let's go to number 5. I played 4 video games and had an average score of 12,000 points per game. The average score of the first 3 games was 11,000 points per game. Okay? How many points did I score in the 4th game? Okay. So we are going to get, what we're going to do is that we need to multiply 4 multiplied by 12,000. Okay, multiply 4 multiplied by 12,000, and I think you're going to get 48,000, right? 48,000. Very good. Now 48,000. Sorry, this is 0. 48,000 is the average for 4 games. Then it says that the average for the first 3 games was 11,000. Okay, so we're going to get 3 multiplied by 11,000. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I think that gives us 33,000. Okay. Now, what do you have to do? How many points did I score in the 4th game? Just subtract. Okay, subtract the first answer, 48,000. Okay, 48,000, 0, 0, and 0 minus, then you get your 33,000. Okay, and is equal to what? Okay, that will be the points you scored for the 4th game. All right, so you write your answer here. I'm not going to tell you. Okay, let's talk about Mint. Mint bought 4 books in a bookstore. The price of the first 3 books were $10, $15, and $25. The average price she paid for the 4 books were $18 per book. Okay, sorry. How much did she pay for the 4th book? So what we will have to do is that we know 4 books, 4 multiplied by 18. What is the answer? San, tell me, 4 multiplied by 18, what is the answer? I think it should be 72, right? Somehow. Did you get that? Okay. Now we're going to get $72 for that. Now it says this is for 4 books. But we know the prices for 3 of the books. We want to know for the 4th book. So it's going to be $72 minus, subtract the 3, so 10 plus 15 plus 25, and that should give us the final answer. Okay, all right, so $72 minus 10 plus 15 plus 25, 10, which is going to give us 10 plus 15 is 25, 25 plus is 50. So you are going to get 72 minus 50, right? $50. And what to be the answer? How many dollars are you going to get here? How many dollars? Okay, so that is going to be the number of dollars. Let's go to the next one. Number 6. It says Danish slept 8 hours on Monday, 10 hours on Tuesday, 900 minutes on Wednesday. What was the average number of days Danish slept per day? This is the same as number 1, and look at and question. That's why I brought this equal sign. Same, okay? It's the same thing. But the only difference is that here, and slept 10 hours, Danish slept 8. And slept 12, Danish slept 10. Okay? Then here 300 and this is 900. So the only difference is the numbers. 10, 12, 300. But this one is 8, 10, and 900 minutes. Okay, so what you can do is that you can change 900 minutes into hours, okay, and add it to 8 and 10 and divide by 3. Okay, remember 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. All right, so you just have to divide 900 divided by 60, get the hours and add it and do it for number 6. Okay, good. So I just want you to do number 6 by yourself. I just have to explain. All right, change 900 minutes into hours. All right, good. Now let's go to the last one about Wawa. Wawa is reading some books. Now this Wawa is doing, she reads 12 pages on Monday, 25 pages on Tuesday, then some pages, a couple of pages on Wednesday. We don't know how many, okay? On average, she reads 23 pages per day these 3 days. How many pages did she read on Wednesday? So what you do is you will multiply 23 by how many days? How many days? We got 3. Okay. So this is going to be 9 and 6. 69. So we're going to get 69 minus, put the 2 pages, 2 days together, which is 12 pages plus 25 pages. Okay. Good. So what will be the answer? You're going to get 69 minus 37, right? Good. And you write your answer here. And don't forget that you should write the word pages. Pages. Okay? Okay. All right. So I think you can do it neater. And bank, I hope you can do it, right? Film, is it okay? All right, so that is all for me and you about this homework. Okay, boys and girls, like I always say, I never run out of knowledge. I only run out of time. Until I see you again in next time, don't forget that my name is P-E-T-E-R, Peter. Thank you very much. I hope to see you next week when we do another homework. Okay, so stay safe and goodbye to all of you. I'll see you